One of the hedge fund managers who taught me to trade was a chap called Bill Lipschutz, most recently a hedge fund manager of the year. He was in my first book, Mind of a Trader. I'm showing you a free platform here, which is broker independent, which we use to train new traders on within our hedge fund. This is called MT4. And the green arrows are where the trends are going upwards. And you can see with sterling US dollar, this is the weekly chart. Okay, so we had a short signal there, and the trend indeed absolutely plunged, and that was great, and a long trade over here, and it's still on the long side at the moment, and cable is 1 spot 27. What Bill told me, which surprised me, given that he was global head of forex trading at Salomon Brothers, global head of forex trading at Salomon Brothers when I first met him over 25 years ago, and that was the world's largest trader in forex, and given that he was global head of forex, he was the largest forex trader in the world. What he told me, which shocked me, was he never made money trading cable. Cable being sterling US dollar. By the way, the reason it's got that name is because they laid a cable between the United Kingdom and the United States. Well, I think it was between New York and probably Ireland, and then did some telegraphy somewhere else to get the prices, to share the prices, and that cable still exists, or those cables still exist underground. Now I guess they transport internet. Anyway, he never made money on sterling US dollar. And I said to him, wait a minute, you're global head of forex trading. And it taught me several things. First of all, when you're at the top, you don't care what people know or think about you. The second thing is that for somebody like him, it just goes to show you can get to the top without doing the obvious things, or the things people are expecting, or the things you're supposed to do in order to be successful. And that was very telling, and it sort of reduced a lot of pressure off me, that if I wasn't making money on a certain currency pair or whatever else I might be trading, then, or what my students are doing, and when they practice on a free retail platform like this before they graduate onto proper trading systems, if they're not making it on a particular currency pair, I tell them, don't worry about it, relax. You don't need to make money on every single thing that you're looking to trade. Retailers tend to be a lot harsher on themselves than the professionals often are. So hopefully that's an important lesson to you for both life and trading. Of course, for me, life and trading are the same damn thing.